Good morning, students. I am your English teacher in Vittal Matriculation School. Today, Tuesday, let's start our recall session. Yes, students, are you all happy? Hope you all doing well, right? Okay. Had your breakfast? Last class, we have to recall in this page, and today we have to start from fill in the blanks, right? He is my father. He is my father. She is my mother. Here I am Rani. They are my brothers. They are my brothers. He is my grandpa. He is my grandpa. She is my grandma. We are family. We are family. My grandma goes to temple. My grandma goes to temple. My grandpa goes to shop. My grandpa goes to shop. My mom goes to office. My mom goes to office. They go to school. They go to school. I go to school. I go to school. My dad goes to office. My dad goes to office. We all do our work regularly. We all do our work regularly. Next, let us speak. Let us speak. What's your lunch today? Lucky, come, let's have our lunch together. Wait a minute, Kavi. What is your lunch today? Let me see. Oh, it is curd rice. What is yours? Mine is white rice and sambar. I like sambar. Can I take some? Yes, sure. Let's share. Then you take my curd rice. Enough, enough. I cannot eat this much. Have it, Kavi. This is not much. And then you have to do right. Then Anbu and the fish. Anbu and the fish. Here Anbu and his friend Madan and Anbu's father and fish, right? Then choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Anbu was talented in catching fish. Anbu was talented in catching fish. Every Sunday they would go fishing. Every Sunday they would go fishing. Anbu got 3 fish this week. Anbu got 3 fish this week. They use earthworm as bait. They use earthworm as bait. They fed fish with puffed rice. They fed fish with puffed rice. And answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. What did they use as net? What did they use as net? They used dhoti as net. They used dhoti as net. Why was the fish floating on top? Why was the fish floating on top? The fish was floating on top because it was dead. The fish was floating on the top because it was dead. What was their new hobby? Feeding fish was their new hobby. Feeding fish was their new hobby. Identify the character and speaker. Identify the character and speaker. He set the fish free. He set the fish free. Said by Anbu. Grow the fish at home, Anbu. Who said? Said by Madan. And then he bought a new fish tank. He bought a new fish tank. Anbu's father. Anbu's father. And then Let us read aloud. Let us read aloud. Read the passage three times and color a hen for each time. Students, are you all color your hen? Yes. Let me read it once. A little red hen had some wheat seeds. Will you help me sow this seed? Asked the hen. No, replied the selfish dog. Then the hen did it by herself. The seeds grew into a field of wheat. Will you help me reap the wheat? Asked the hen. No, replied the sleepy cat. She did it by herself. Will you help me grind the wheat? Asked the hen. No, replied the noisy duck. And she did it by herself. Will you help me make a bread? Asked the hen. No, replied the lazy cow. She made the bread by herself. Will you all help me eat this bread? Asked them hen. Yes, replied everyone. But no, said the hen. And then find the Find the qualities of these animals from the passage. Cow, lazy. Cow, lazy. Duck, noisy. Duck, noisy. Dog, selfish. Dog, selfish. Cat, sleepy. Cat, sleepy. And then let us write. Let us write. Letter writing. Here from, we have to make a letter. That time we have to do from, to, sir or madam. You have to write your name, which class are you studied, and your school name. Okay, then you have to write for who, the class teacher, which standard, and school name, sir or madam. As I am suffering from fever, I am unable to come to school. So I request you to grant me leave for one day on date 29 2021. Which date you have to write. Okay. Thanking you. You are sincerely your sign. And then write a letter to your class teacher asking leave for attending marriage function. See, already we have to write that. Then from Anu, 4th standard A section, Vittal Matriculation School, Tanjavur, to the class teacher, 4th standard A section, Vittal Matriculation School, Tanjavur, sir or madam, as I have to attend a marriage function of my cousin at Trichy. I am unable to come to school, so I request you to grant me leave for one day on 29 2021. Thanking you, yours obediently, Anu. And then I can do. Choose the correct option. Raju is good at cooking. Alia, hem the border. Look at the picture and tick the correct word. Here, hare. H-A-R-E is the hare, rabbit. Read, R-E-A-D, read. Blue. Here the color is blue, right? So, B-L-U-E. And then match the rhyming words. Mars, cars. Bed, head. Time, crime. Recite the poem Treasure Trove with the correct intonation. Let's take page number 104. Yes. You already read it, right? Once again we have to read Treasure Trove. Read when you are happy. Read when you are sad. Learn about space, land on Mars. Picture an auto race, zoom with cars. A glance at history, go back in time to discover a mystery, solve a crime. Read about the lost bicycle, where can it be? Visit a lovely mermaid under the sea. Read when you are happy. Read when you are sad. Yes. Then give the correct verb form using come. I come by bus. I come by bus. They come by bus. They come by bus. He comes by bus. He comes by bus. She comes by bus. She comes by bus. Circle the correct word. Circle the correct word. It runs. It runs very fast. It runs very fast. The birds fly in the sky. The birds fly in the sky. And then next lesson from third unit. Time for a journey. Time for a journey. And hi, I enjoy trekking. What do you enjoy? What do you enjoy? Yeah? See, my little Pictionary. My little Pictionary. Tent. A portable shelter made of canvas attached to the ground poles. A portable shelter made of canvas attached to the ground poles. And footprint. Footprint means the impression of the foot in a soft substance such as sand or snow. Footprint, the impression of the foot in a soft substance such as sand or snow. And third one is tribe, a small community of people with common habits and culture. A small community of people with common habits and culture. And then boat, a small vessel used to travel in water. A small vessel used to travel in water. And then waterfall, water from river or stream. Water from river or stream dropping from a higher point to a lower point. Dropping from a higher point to lower point. The lesson in third unit, the Robinson Crusoe. Robinson Crusoe. ROBINSON. Robinson Crusoe. 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 And then Robinson explored the island. Robinson explored the island, right? Here gallery. We have to see the gallery. Adventure. Adventure means risky or unexpected undertaking. Adventure means risky of unexpected undertaking. Explore. Travel through an unknown area to learn more about it. Travel through an unknown area to learn more about it. Tent. Portable canvas shelter. Portable canvas shelter. Tribal. Racial, ethnical. Racial, ethnical. Cannibals. Humans who eat other humans. Cannibals means humans who eat other humans. And rebels. Rebels means people who protest authority. People who protest authority. Frightened. Frightened means afraid. Frightened means afraid. Let us understand. Next, let us understand. Match the words with the pictures. Robinson. He is Robinson, right? Cannibals. Robinson. Cannibals. Friday. Friday. Footprint. Here, footprint. Footprint. Answer using yes or no. Pick sentences from the story to support your answer. Was Robinson interested in sea adventures? Was Robinson interested in sea adventures? Yes, Robinson was interested in sea adventures. Yes, Robinson was interested in sea adventures. Did Robinson's ship sink? Did Robinson ship sink? Yes, Robinson's ship sank because of a great storm. Because of a great storm. Was Robinson alone in the island? Was Robinson alone in the island? No, Robinson was along with the dog in the island. No, Robinson was along with the dog in the island. Did Robinson kill Friday? Did Robinson kill Friday? No, Robinson did not kill Friday. He saved Friday from cannibals. No, Robinson did not kill Friday. He saved Friday from cannibals. And last question is, do cannibals eat people? Do cannibals eat people? Yes. Cannibals are people who eat other people. Cannibals are people who eat other people. Do cannibals eat people? Yes. Cannibals are people who eat other people. Okay, students, let's continue in next class. Okay, you have to read and prepare well for your test, and you have to memorize the book back exercise and 2 mark questions. Okay, and you have to read the passage, poem lines. Okay, that time you have to enhance your reading skill. Okay, okay, students, keep safe at your home. Thank you. Have a joyful day.